हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं जेई मेंस का। ये 2025 का क्वेश्चन है। सो लेट्स डू इट। लेट अ लाइन पास थ्रू टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स P -2 -1 3 and Q and be parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j plus 2k if the distance of the point Q from the point R 1 3 3 is 5, then the square of the area of triangle PQR is equal to। ओके, ठीक है। तो लेट Q बी इक्वल टू x1 y1 z1। ठीक है। तो कैन आई से दैट ओके, सो वेक्टर PQ क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? It will be x minus -2 plus x1 my bad, y1 minus -1 j plus z1 minus 3k, and this will be PQ will be parallel to vector 3i plus 2j plus 2k. So I can say that x1 plus 2 will be equal to lambda 3, y1 plus 1 will be equal to lambda times 2, and z1 plus z1 minus 3 is equal to lambda 2. So x1 can be written as 3 lambda minus 2, y1 as 2 lambda minus 1, and z1 as 2 lambda plus 3. And distance of the point Q from R133 is 5. So as per the distance formula, 5 is equal to root of x1 minus x2 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3 whole square is equal to 5. 3 lambda minus 3 whole square is 9 lambda square plus 9 minus 18 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 4 whole square is 4 lambda square plus 16 minus 16 lambda. And this is 2 lambda whole square, which is plus 4 lambda square. So 25 squaring both sides, we get 9 lambda square plus 4 plus 4. 17 lambda square minus 18 lambda minus 16 lambda is minus 34 lambda plus 9 plus 16 is plus 25. Or 17 lambda square minus 34 lambda is 0. So lambda into 17 lambda minus 34 is 0. So either lambda is 0 or lambda is 34 upon 17, which is 2. If lambda is 0, we get the same point as P, so not possible. So lambda has to be 2. Okay, so Q becomes 3 lambda minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4 x1, and then 4 minus 1, which is 3, that is y1, and 4 plus 3, which is 7, so it is z1. So Q is 4i plus 3j plus 7k. Now we have got point C, which is -2 -1 3, point Q, which is 437, and point R, which is 133. We have to find the area of the triangle PQR. PQR. P is known, -2, -1, 3. Q is known, 437, and R is known, 1, 3, 3. So area of triangle can be half, just the value wise, PQ cross PR. So PQ will be equal to 4 minus 2 I plus 3 minus 1 J plus 7 minus 3K, which is 6I plus 4J plus 4K. And PR would be equal to 1 minus 2 I plus 3 minus 1 J plus 3 minus 3K, which is 3I plus 4J plus 0K. So area would be half of IJK, 644,340, which is equal to half of I times 0 minus 16 minus J times 0 minus 12 plus K times 24 minus 12, which is half of minus 16I plus 12J plus 12K. Taking out 4 common, we will get 4 upon 2 minus 4I plus 3J plus 3K. So area would be root of, this is minus, so basically it is minus 8I plus 6J plus 6K. It will be minus 8 square plus 6 square plus 6 square, which is root 136. And we have to find the square of the area. So it will be 136 is the answer. सो इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको जेई मेंस के सारे क्वेश्चंस का पिछले 5 साल का या उससे भी ज्यादा का मेंस का एडवांस का सॉल्यूशन मिलता रहे तो इस चैनल को अकैडश्योर को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक यू।